How to share Temu products to Facebook posts. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share Temu products to Facebook posts. So let's get started. First of all, you can head over to Temu and select the product that you wish to post. For example, I'm going to select this one. And then at the top right corner, you'll be able to see an arrow button. Simply click on that and you're going to select Facebook from the list. So you can either copy the link, go to a new post on Facebook and paste that link over there. But the much easier and direct method is by selecting Facebook from the list. And then you're going to click on open. You will be redirected to Facebook and it's going to load that product post over here. You can add any caption you want to do so. For example, check this out and click on done. Here you can select the audience, you can select the location and also what you're feeling while posting this. You can select who you wish to view the post. For example, I'm going to let it be friends and click on done. After that, you're going to click on post here at the bottom right corner. And now when you go to Facebook again, go to your profile and you'll be able to see that that post has been added over here. So that was how you can share Temu products to Facebook posts. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.